So I guess I better go ahead and do another update video. Right now you're looking at a transit and the poles over there sticking in the ground. But what I've done is I've dug my ditches 30 foot wide by 50 foot long, and the 50 foot's facing I guess running north and south, and the 30 foot's running east and west. I'm looking west right now. I've got all my block stacked up here, 450 of them. There's going to be too many because I bought a few extra for some other projects, but what I'm going to do is stack up block on the foundation for my what I'm calling my pier, and I'll go as high as I need to on this end because this end's lower, and as low as I can on this end and still get above the ground so water and stuff don't come in. So you're probably looking at 3, maybe 4 courses on this end, and probably 3 at the most on this end, maybe 4, and if I do I'll have to go higher on this end. But that's where I'm at. I've offset my ditch, the depth of my ditches, so I don't have to lay as many block on this end. So in other words, there's an 8-inch differentiation right there. You can kind of see it. See if I can get a picture of it right here. It drops 8 inches right there approximately, and that's what I'm doing the transit right now, getting my final heights, elevations they call them. And I'm going to get the corners set square, 30 foot wide, 50 long. I'll measure corner to corner to make sure they're exactly square, everything comes out right. And when I get done with that, I'll take another video. The corners will be set. At that point, all I'll have to do is fill in between with straight lines between the 2 corners. So 30 by 50 shop build. I think this is video number 3. Last weekend I dug some ditches. That's why these are all dug. I rented an excavator and dug, and I dug and tied in some plumbing back that direction, 115 foot, and then over this direction I tied in just some conduit for electrical to my electrical panel over there on the house, and buried the conduit. I went ahead and buried my plumbing pipe. I still got to dig a water line, but not supposed to run those in the same ditch as the sewer line, so I'm going to dig a separate ditch for it, and just probably by hand. Around here we can go a foot deep and be safe. As far as freezing is concerned, we'll tie water into the house. I'll update. Thanks.